Welcome back. Now we're getting in news that BJP MP from Mysore, Pratap Simha, has tweeted on Gurmeher Kaur, whose Facebook post slamming the ABVP went viral. In fact, she is also the daughter of Kagal Matar. And what this MP has done, that he has compared this young, brave girl for speaking out for the post that went viral. He has compared her to Dawood, to a terrorist, to the underworld don Dawood Ibrahim. This is the kind of tweet that has been sent out by this BJP MP from Mysore, Pratap Simha, who has tweeted on Gurmeher Kaur, the young girl who took on the ABVP, who posted through Facebook this very strong post expressing her feelings for the student union ABVP that had went viral. That's not all. In fact, she claims that she has received a barrage of threats. She is the daughter of Captain Mandeep Singh, who was killed in the 1999 Kargil war. And I mean, apart from those trolls, here is a tweet coming from a BJP MP, from a parliamentarian from Mysore, Pratap Simha. My colleague Divina joins us for more on this. Divina, this is beyond shocking. It goes on to suggest how debate and dissent in this country, which is actually part of our democratic ethos, just doesn't seem to go down too well amongst a few politicians or parliamentarians.
And also the cricketer who has jumped in the controversy, Virendra Sehwag, who's also been trolled for jumping in the row from both sides of the debate, that we now not taking side and showing you what the BJP MP has tweeted this time as well, Avantika. This is Mysore MP who's tweeted this picture. Pakistan did not kill my dad, war killed him, and also saying I did not kill people in 1993, bombs killed him. And this is a soldier's daughter, policeman's son. At least Dawood did not use the crutches of his father's name to justify his anti-national stand. So this is the tweet that the BJP MP Pratap Simha has given out, and he said that Dawood did not use the crutches of his father's name to justify his anti-national stand in a response to Gurmeher Kaur, who is a Kargil Matar's daughter, who's highlighted that how she's not afraid of the ABVP and has also hit headlines on the social media. This time round, you have the BJP MP tweeting this and saying at least Dawood did not use the crutches of his father's name to justify his anti-national stand. And of course, the debate continues over this controversy where the dissent is being also questioned. At the same time, was there a need for the BJP MP to step in and stoop to a fresh low in this controversy?
Oh, absolutely. And, speaking of this Facebook post, Davina, this young girl who has only expressed her views and, who has talked and has actually literally taken on this very powerful student union, has invited so much of criticism. She has been, receiving threats, as she claims, on social media. This is absolutely so unfortunate, isn't it?
Absolutely, and the insensitivity of this also, Avantika, because you have a Kagal Matar's daughter who's been shown in this picture as well. You have Dawood by the BJP MP. Now, the fact remains that could the parliamentarian who also has been elected by the women representatives of his constituency have refrained from such an act, because it does not also come out as a fact that a politician who is from the BJP, who's an elected member of the parliamentarian, would try to defame a woman in this manner. He could have expressed his condemnation to the sentiment which has been expressed by the Kagal Matar's daughter in any other manner except this, because this is once again he's used a very cheap political tactic, if I may say so, to make his point.
Absolutely, Davina. Thank you so much for joining us. So that is the tweet that has been posted by a BJP MP from Mysuru, comparing the young Gurmeher Kaur to Dawood Ibrahim, as you can see for yourselves.